right, a much anticipated mail haul. So this is the 1973 Monte Carlo conversion kit from a company called Cancuk 3D Model Parts out of Canada. And I learned about this through one of Throttle Power. Tim at Throttle Power did a video about a guy who makes entire cars, and he makes like a 73 Grand Prix, and I'm like, oh, do you make a 73 Monte Carlo? And that guy turned me on to this company. And so I went out and found it. And so a while back, probably a couple of years ago now, I did a video about wanting to build my first car, which was a 73 Monte Carlo. And I had gone out and purchased this 77 lowrider and the 74 NASCAR, as well as the 70 Monte Carlo for the engine. And then someone else out on the internet had built that using kind of those three things. But you know, this isn't obviously a 73 front, and the taillights are completely different. Down this, and that's totally cool. So let me open this and see what this looks like. Oh, look at that. Each piece individually wrapped. Nice. Awesome. Oh, wow. That is so cool. So this, you know, those taillights are unique to 1973. And there's the emblem on the trunk. Nice. Front bumper. Very cool. And then the rear bumper. Assuming that goes into there. Very cool. Look at that. Headlights. I didn't even see these. Look at that. All right. Look at that. Very cool. So thanks so much to Tim at Throttle Power. You know, he does awesome, but he goes to these swap meets. He goes to car shows. He goes to model shows. Just a wealth of information on his channel. So I'll put a link to the video that turned me on to this, but definitely go check out Tim at Throttle Power. Awesome channel. Awesome member of an awesome community. So thanks again. And yeah, somewhere down the line, hopefully this year, I'll get to my 73 Monte Carlo. So hope you found that interesting. And as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.